Hey guys, how's it going? I know there have been 1,000 Smart Summon videos already on the internet, but hey, why not another one? I'm very excited because I only just purchased full self-driving for Joy's Model 3, which is just behind me there. So we're going to test out Smart Summon right now. Pretty empty car park, as you can see. Had a little play with the settings in the car. Looks like 12 meters is the maximum distance. I think it's about 10 to 12 meters currently between me and the car, so let's see what happens. Going to try that again. The car's over there this time, and less cars on this side of the car park. So let's give that another go. Connecting to your vehicle. Hopefully it goes to where I am. So Smart Summon. All right. Well, let's see whether it has got a better idea this time. So I'm going to say, "Come to me." Let's see what happens. I just hope it doesn't hit that black Holden. Otherwise, he or she's not going to be very happy with me. Okay, so it's reversing now. This looks more like it. Please don't hit that black Holden. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. This looks better. There's no cars behind me, so I think we're good. Hello? You gonna stop? You gonna stop? Oh, no, not yet. Still going. Now it's stopped. No, still turning its wheel. Whoa. Really wants to come. Okay, I think we're good though. You don't have to keep moving anymore. Are you happy? You're happy? Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop because I'm happy with where you are. Alright, so that's our Smart Summon demonstration. A little bit hairy at the end there because it sort of wants to keep adjusting itself. That's not bad. I mean, that's a good 15 meters there. I know the limit's like 12 meters on the app. Let me have a look. It said 12 meters on the car there. I'm pretty happy with that. There you go. Smart Summon in our Model 3 performance. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy charging.